In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in CapCut. To get started, open CapCut in your web browser and head into the project where your video is already added. If you have multiple projects, just make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Once you open it, give the editor a moment to fully load. This is important because if the interface is still loading, some tools may not appear right away or may respond slowly. When the project is ready, look down at the timeline and locate the video clip you want to crop. The timeline is the area where all your media is arranged for editing, so you'll want to make sure you're selecting the exact clip you plan to adjust. Click on that video clip once to select it. After that, wait a moment for the editing options to appear, usually in the side panel or editing panel of the workspace. Next, find the crop option in that editing panel and click on it. After you do, give CapCut a second to display the crop controls. These controls let you define which part of the video remains visible in the frame. You should now see crop handles around the video in the preview area. Drag those crop handles inward or outward to adjust the visible area of your video. This is the main part of the process, so take your time here. You can crop out distractions around the edges, reframe the subject, or tighten the composition so the most important part of the video stands out more clearly. As you move the handles, keep an eye on the preview window so you can immediately see how the crop affects the final look. Once you've made an initial adjustment, review the result in the preview window. If it doesn't look quite right, continue adjusting the crop area until you're happy with the framing. Small changes can make a big difference, so it's worth fine-tuning until the video looks balanced and clean. If CapCut asks you to confirm the change, click Confirm or Apply. Some versions may apply the crop automatically, while others may require this extra step, so just follow what appears on your screen. Finally, review the cropped video again in the preview window and make sure everything looks correct. Check that the important content is still visible and that the framing matches what you wanted. Once that looks good, you've successfully cropped your video in CapCut.